Hey friends, Dave here with Transfer Express, and today I want to show you some do-it-yourself t-shirt packaging that could really boost your brand. Now, t-shirt packaging is not only eye-catching, but it helps up the value in your t-shirts. It builds brand loyalty and repeat purchases because it adds so much more to your t-shirts by giving your customers an experience. It's like opening a gift, and I mean, who doesn't like opening presents? But we've heard from so many apparel decorators selling at events, vendor shows, festivals. And with that t-shirt packaging, it could really help aid in sales by offering a unique product. But regardless of if you're selling at in-person events or selling online, we're going to be covering some easy and affordable t-shirt packaging options here today. Now, we do have another t-shirt packaging video that Scotty did just a little bit ago, and we're gonna have that one linked right here if you wanna get all of the inspiration, but we're covering brand new stuff here in this video. So are you ready to box it up? Let's get to it. If you are new to Transfer Express, we are the world's largest supplier of custom screen printed and digital heat transfers, heat presses, free customizable designs, wholesale apparel, and expert advice to help grow your t-shirt business. If you haven't already, subscribe. We're kicking out new videos like this one every single week. So let's get right into it. One of my favorite things to do here is have a little bundle. So this one is using just a rolled t-shirt. You could take the lid and just kind of stuff it in the back there. But these are awesome, easy, portable for taking to events. And this one for a coffee shop looks great. Now these stickers are dishwasher safe, and you could put your brand on them or a fun little saying that matches the t-shirt design. It's super easy to do, and in bulk, you could get these cups for about $1 a piece. So if your packaging is just maybe $1, maybe 50 cents, 60 cents for a sticker like this, it's only adding $2 to your cost, and you could probably end up charging $3, $4, maybe even $6 or $7 more for the t-shirt just because it comes with a little packaging here with a bonus cup. Really, the possibilities are limitless. The next idea I want to show you is reduce, reuse, recycle. So if you've ordered Ultra Color Max from Transfer Express, you know that they come in these nice little tubes. Now what you can do is just chop them down with a saw to a little bit smaller size, take those end caps that come with it, and now you have yourself a little tube. Now again, using stickers, just like the stickers you could order from Transfer Express, we put a beautiful wraparound graphic all around this can to the point where you don't even know it's a shipping tube anymore. Now, if you aren't ordering Ultra Color Max and say you're ordering Goof Proof that's coming in a box, buying these tubes and the caps is super affordable, and just a rolled t-shirt could fit inside. I will caution that if you're doing any maybe hoodies or thicker garments like quarter zips or big sweatshirts, you really need something lightweight and smaller to be able to fit in tubes like this. And then you can even use stickers to add sizing information or the style information as a little kind of label that goes around and takes that. But keeping these on theme really makes the entire experience and your brand identity shine. Now, like I mentioned, stickers could make packaging so easy, and you could actually order them right for free using the EasyView online designer. That's right, you could pull all of the artwork you have saved on transferexpress.com or design your own stickers using the thousands of customizable layouts and clip art to create durable, pre-cut, water and fade resistant vinyl stickers and labels. Just navigate to the print method in the bottom left-hand side in EasyView, click on full color, then all-purpose sticker right there at the bottom. There is just a $25 order minimum, so they are actually some of the most affordable stickers out there on the internet too. Couple them with, say, an order of your Goof-Proof screen printed transfers, and they'll ship in the same box for just that one low flat rate fee. So that's going to be saving you tons of money. Now, another thing that is absolutely awesome are these Polybags. Now, coupled with stickers as well, we're able to keep a space here to write in our size, but you could even provide UPC or barcodes here on the label so that you could keep your inventory organized, nice and clean and dry when you are traveling or even in a dusty warehouse if inventory is not moving quickly. Now, In this one as well, we have a hang tag and an insert card. And I always recommend when you're packaging anything up, put an insert card in there with your brand name and then some kind of incentive or call to action. Follow us on social media, sign up for our email list for a discount on your next order, or maybe you're just trying to drive repeat purchases with a coupon, say for 10% off your next purchase, or hey, refer a friend and they get 10%, you get 10%, whatever offer you want to put in there, because that is a great opportunity for marketing potential. Now this next one is super cool and I love it here. We have it themed for a barbecue restaurant, but we're using one of these little small aluminum takeout food trays. Now this is an incredibly affordable Amazon find. I think we got 50 of these tins with the lids for just over 10 bucks. And then what we did is you could actually just print out at home or go to a custom printer and have it printed to the same size as the lids that they come with. So just have a nice little printed card that fits the same exact dimension, and it's super easy to package up your t-shirts just by folding your t-shirt up and putting it right in this tin. Now this is another one that you're going to want to make sure it fits the largest size or maybe the bulkiest apparel item in your store. So sweatshirts and say hoodies might have to fit in those little bit larger catering trays, but they can make it too. And even a spot here to write down the size. They're awesome too because they transport really well. They're easy and quick to package. They stack and they are eye-catching when they are on display, whether it be at a barbecue restaurant here or just for a regular clothing brand. Now, if you are shipping your shirts, we did put together an awesome video on using printed polybags we ordered online. We'll link that one right in here. So even if you are selling at, say, a craft show or a festival or fair, having that branded polybag is a cool thing to have as well. They can get a little expensive for the take and go because you do have to pay a printer for them. And if you're not buying super large quantities, they could get a little expensive at like $2 or $3 a bag. Great for shipping, including in the shipping costs of your e-commerce store, but it could be a little overkill if you're just having some bags to stuff some goodies in when you're selling at one of these shows or your own brick and mortar store. A lot of these samples that we talked about today have hang tags included with them. And if you're selling apparel on site, in person, anywhere, or even online, you should be using hang tags for that identity appeal for your brand. We did put a whole video together all about hang tags. We'll have linked right up here. And we kind of just drive home that super retail touch regardless of where you're selling apparel at. If you have used packaging for your t-shirts in any awesome or eye-catching ways, share it with us on social media or just let us know about it down in the comments section below. We always love hearing and seeing all of the creativity in the heat pressing community. If you have a question or an idea for an upcoming video, just let us know too. We make all of these videos for the sole purpose of helping you and your t-shirt business succeed. But be sure you're subscribed right here to the Transfer Express YouTube channel to stay up to date on all of our helpful tips, tricks, and advice to help grow your business. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing.